Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon, good night. I do not know when you are watching this, but I just hope you're having a great day in general. So, yeah, this is my first video, so I do not really know what to say or how to act or how to be myself. But I'm just gonna try my best, yeah. I'm just gonna film the next couple of days and see what happens. Today is quite boring because I just need to go to work, but tomorrow I'm going to the big city with one of my friends, and then in the evening I'm gonna do something else with some other friends, so that's gonna be quite an adventure because when you're with me, it's always an adventure, baby. So yeah, but to get the day started, we are going to need an outfit. So let's see what we have. I've got these stylish pants that I got from the thrift store for like $4, €4. So yeah, that's amazing. And I think I'm gonna wear that. And I think I'm just gonna put this t-shirt on it because I don't know, it's basic, but I like the thing. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna wear these earrings because they match the pink. And yeah, we love a good color coordination, baby. And then I have these sunglasses, but they are pink, and my earrings are pink, and my shirt is pink, so it's a lot of pink. But I think I'm just gonna wear them, and if I'm sick, I'm just gonna put them in my pocket because, yeah. And now I need some shoes, but I kind of already know what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna show them. I do not know if it's on frame, but these are the shoes I'm gonna wear. And I know what you think, what kind of twink am I watching, but I swear I have like a million different styles. Like, it's insane. But today, I feel like dressing as a twink. Now, let's get dressed because I feel like a naked poodle. Like a naked poodle. And I do not like that. It's so freaking hot in here. My sweet baby Lord Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got the complete outfit. We got the shoes, the pants, the shirt, the glasses, the earrings. We got everything. Yeah. What do you think? Okay. Also, I'm in my sister's room because I do not have a mirror for some reason. But she's quite a bit smaller than me, so the mirror is not adjusted to my height. So if I come too close, I can't see my head. Like, you can see my head, but from my point of view, you can't see my head. So yeah. Also, say hello to Daddy Shrek, baby. How you doing today? How you doing? How you doing, my good sir? Yeah. I still have half an hour left before the bus arrives, so I do not know what I'm going to do. I think I'm gonna clean up a little bit because I made some mess. Yeah. Then I'm going to the city. I'm going to my mom's coffee shop because she has a coffee shop. Yeah, be jealous of me. She has the best coffee. You think Starbucks has good coffee? Baby, you did not try sweet coffee. Well, that was a tongue twister for me. But they have such good coffee, and I just can drink unlimited coffee. And I just want to say, you know how much I love coffee, but you don't. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna make my favorite drink. And you don't have just coffee. You have like smoothies, ices. You have hot chocolate. You have everything. You got cold coffee, you got frappa cappuccino. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, we're just gonna we're gonna take something and just wait until we have to go to work. I just need some money. I just do it for the money, you know. I don't care. I just need some money. Send me money. I need money.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but you are a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beautiful.
Michelle. My mommy. Doing the dishes. Wow.
I'm doing the dishes.
This is my mom's coffee shop, and now I'm gonna make some coffee because, yeah, why not? Dinner. Delicious.
My lovely boys.
Okay, these are my two dogs. This is Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Hello, my sweetie. Hey. And this is Milo. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, look how cute they are. Look at him sitting over there. This one, he is something. He's something else. He's a different breed. He's not a dog. Look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. Yes. The sandwich was so good. And my coffee too. It was so good. The flavors are melting on my tongue. Okay, now I need to go to the store to buy something to work in because I cannot work in this because it's not good for some reason. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna find it. We're gonna look out for it. Baby oil for your pussy ass. Oh. You farts. Stinky ass. This is my baby. My day one. My ride or die Tracy. Yeah. Say something. Yeah. So I'm going to work in like 10 minutes. So she needs to be gone and I need to be over there, but I'm sitting right here because I don't want to go to work. This is my baby girl, she's Tracy.
Take a poopy.
Oh. I'm currently working and I'm at a storage room where all the drinks are, and I'm almost done, so I'm quite happy. And it was quite a fun day because the workers were quite fun and I enjoyed myself. Let's grab some more drinks now, shall we? After work, we decided we wanted to go out for a drink, but it was already pretty late and we asked our friends to come, but almost none of them could, so we ended up with just the three of us. But it was still very nice and we had so much fun that evening, so it was worth it. This is my breakfast for today because I don't have much time because I need to catch the train, and I also just realized there's an egg on my iPad, and let's just pretend that I'm eating eggs as well. Yeah, she's back. It's Jesus in New York.
country.
We're
We are in New York.
No, we're not. We're not in New York.
Yeah, we are. We are.
No,
We are.
no,
Yeah.
no. Yeah, look at the buildings. They're big, like them titties.
Hey, hey.
Look at that fat ass. Wow, the store.
The store. The store.
Balloon. Balloon. You got some balloon time?
Balloon, balloon.
We're gonna eat some food.
Yes, man.
So we had some drinks there, and they were so tasty. So we bought all of them to try them, and now we're gonna try them. So the first one is this. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be nice. Sip, 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 sip. This one, it tastes good, but we don't know what it tastes like. So yeah. Tracy adjusting my my camera angle because yeah, why not? It's nice.
It's nice.
Okay, this one I'm not sure about it.
Me neither.
I'm not sure because I don't know. It tastes good. It's nice. They are all nice, but
Granny.
which wait, we're gonna taste this one and then we're gonna say which one we like the best.
Yes.
Until now,
best to
the
least.
first one was my best that we drank over there.
Mine.
Yeah. Okay, this one just tastes like green tea, but
Yes.
green tea is nice, but
I
yeah.
like this one more.
Yeah?
Yes.
The first one was the best one. We chose right the first time, but they're all good. Cool art everywhere. Cool art. Yeah, look at that dog. Look at the dog. Look at the child.
Shoes are dirty.
Oh, she's shy. She's shy as fuck. Don't be shy. No. Oh my god. She's so petite. She's so petite in the pic. She, motherfucker. We have dicks. They have vaginas. They got everything. We're gonna grab some dicks. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got our waffles shaped like dicks. She likes it. Ah, Tracy. Is it nice? Yeah, is it nice?
It is.
This bit, she's so nasty. All the. Don't look at the background. We just found the first place to sit, and it happens to be a pleasure store. Yeah. A bird just shit.
I mean, I felt that shit, man. I felt it. Drop on me.
On her brand new white shirt. We are on our way back to the station to go back home.
Back home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And